A zig here, a zag there, and soccer heaven awaits. This is Gates Dribbling. This one's a classic, and for good reason, since dribbling is one of soccer's most important skills. Here, we've combined it with scoring goals, which, we checked, pretty much all kids like. Use cones to set up a rectangular grid and place pairs of cones arm's length apart, randomly throughout the space. These are your gates, aka goals, and aim for as many gates as you have players. Here's how it looks. Players dribble through as many gates as possible before you call time, like this. Players should keep their heads up, looking for their next target as they cross each gate. It may be tough for them to switch direction with the ball at this age, but we're looking for the try.
What's up?
Expect players to take big touches and try to shoot their balls through the gates. Ball control is what's important here. Remind them to take small touches and dribble the ball. You can tell them they have a force field that goes as far as their arms in every direction, and that they want to keep the ball inside it when they dribble. This should work because we also checked kids like force fields too.
Heads up!
Coaches, if you happen to have a pool noodle, you can up the challenge by using it to block certain gates or knock balls away.
Hey, I'm the knight. I'm guarding the castle.
What's up? How you doing? How you doing?
It's a great way to challenge your skillful players while keeping the game accessible for everyone. Remember, small touches, force fields of control, heads up. You might need some gate arrayed after this one.